As we go into the last month of this quarter, of quarter one, 2025 for Ethereum, looking at the average returns, median returns, you can see that we have an anomaly here. We have Ethereum down 25% for Q1, and we know the average is approximately 80% for Q1. Even if we go by the median, which excludes the highest months and lowest month, it would mean to get to +5, we need a 30% pump in Ethereum. Now, what happens in the very, very short term is not as known as what we can predict in the medium long time frame. I mean, we can see here that Ethereum just bounced off a key support level, and the price of Ethereum is actually holding up relatively strong when you compare it, for example, against Bitcoin. Let me show you this tweet from 𝘚𝘫𝘀𝘀𝘀. You can see that Ethereum didn't actually reach its bottom it put in earlier in February, and the price only came down to about $2,300, whereas Bitcoin has actually created a new low. So Bitcoin, it's holding up pretty well against Ethereum. So what does this mean for the Ethereum price? Well, hit the like button and let's talk about that, guys, because right now it's important to look at this chart, and we can see the stochastic RSI is symbolizing a strong buy. We can actually look at the following couple of charts as well, which I find very interesting. You can see, although in the very short time frame, we don't exactly know what's going to happen. Maybe the price will come back down to 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. But the medium long term is much more predictable, and this is what you're looking at. You're looking at this huge megaphone pattern where we know the upward price target for Ethereum in this cycle can take us way beyond $10,000. I do expect March to be extremely bullish, and we can basically look at how oversold Ethereum is. Look at this, for example. I tweeted this just earlier, massively oversold. We can see that when the RSI, this is the 4-hour chart, by the way, for Ethereum, when it was last this oversold, early Feb, we got a big relief rally all the way from $2,000 all the way up to $2,700. So massive, massive move, more than a 40% move. And the same thing is to be said, what's likely going to happen now. What I'm looking at very closely right now is this liquidation map for Ethereum. Let me explain what this shows and what it means. This is the current price approximately for Ethereum, about $2,500. Not much liquidity in the market at these levels. Certainly not much in the way of cumulative long liquidation leverage. We're looking for short liquidation leverage. Basically, when the price comes up to this $2,750 level, there is going to be huge amounts of liquidations in the market. Like we recently saw to the short side, we're going to see the opposite happen to the long side, and the price always follows liquidity. So I'm looking at a TP1, take profit 1, of around $2,700 on these new positions that I have open for Ethereum. You can see it's currently $1,600 in profit. I opened a $50,000 trade at 7x leverage, and you can see that's currently in profit. I will close off a small portion of that at about $2,700. If you do want to open a trade guide, link is down below. You can make a deposit and get some free crypto. For example, depositing just $1,000 will get you $450 for free. If you only have $500 to deposit, you can get $200. Of course, if you've got more to deposit, you can claim up to $100,000. Blowfin, really good exchange. No KYC. Sign up is super, super simple. Like I say, guys, in the shorter time frame, we could still see some movements to the downside. You can see the weekly levels of support here, $2,300. And we're currently being supported at $2,440. I think we have a great risk to reward trade now that we're trending upwards. Stochastic RSI is looking beautiful in my opinion. Bitcoin dominance is surely turning bearish on the MACD. You can see RSI is, very, very overbought on the Bitcoin dominance. So I think overall we're in a position where the opportunity for a long and the risk to reward is certainly favorable. Using a free AI Telegram bot, CoinGPT, you can see the state of the market today. The extreme fear is at 21 out of 100. Buy when there's fear. Let's have a quick look at Ethereum. This bot allows you to analyze any coin at any time frame. I wouldn't be surprised to see bearish Ethereum signals still in the short time frame. Yes, I mean, on the 1 hour, you can see it's suggesting we could come down to 2,380. I mean, even if we go to the 4 hour time frame, it might still be bearish because we're in such a downward trend at the moment. It's suggesting still 2,400. So there is strong support beneath us right now, so we could see some sell-offs in the lower time frame. But ultimately, guys, I am bullish. If you want to check out CoinGBT to analyze any coin, get stop loss, take profit levels, can also do super cool things, guys, as well, like analyze with a screenshot. You can use it like ChatGPT, but for trading. You can check out the link down below for CoinGBT. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on a video very, very soon. Feel free to check out these tutorials before we go. Thank you. Bye-bye.